And a state-run think tank asserts there has been little improvement in economic prospects amid mounting risk factors abroad and now even at home, our Park Kun-woo reports.
Another dim monthly assessment for the Korean economy in December. The monthly economics trends report released by state-run think tank the Korea Development Institute on Monday says both internal and external uncertainties affecting the country's economy are escalating with little sign of improvement for domestic demand. Such grim assessments for the country were first made last December. The KDI said sluggish performance in the construction industry is one of the biggest contributing factors. Output in the construction sector saw another on-year drop by nearly 10% in October after it dropped nearly 13% in September. That's compared to the overall industry output seeing an on-year rise of over 2% in October, driven by growth in production in the mining and service industries. The think tank also said low investment in the construction field and weakened retail consumption are particularly restraining domestic demand. Uncertainties in trade conditions were also another factor, despite Korea continuously seeing robust exports of chips and solid production of semiconductors. Exports in November rose 1.4% on year, with shipments for ICT products mainly driving the increase. While that's a smaller increase than the previous months, the institute explained that was due to temporary factors such as bad weather in November. However, the KDI warned that Donald Trump's win in the U.S. presidential race, along with his expected protectionist policies, could worsen trade conditions in the near future. While one expert agrees, he also spoke about uncertainties stemming from the political scandal related to President Yoon that weren't reflected in the assessment.
If the current political problems continue and current uncertainty continues about the Korea's near future economy, then that slight recovery may dampen down and we will go back to low investment, low consumption state again. If we had gone on with impeachment, I think the negative consequences would have been less.
But while mentioning the Korean stock market and Korean won did worsen, he added it could have been worse. Park Kun-woo, Arirang News.